Javakhardasht, located in Iran, is one of the summer villages of Rudzar city, Chabaksar district. To reach it, you have to pass through Siakolrad village, which is located on the eastern border of Gilan province. Its residents are from the people of the lower reaches of the same region, namely Siakolrad, Kasimabad Aliya and Sefla, Gamist and other villages. The weather in Javakhardasht is mountainous and humid. This villages has cold winters. From mid-autumn to mid-April, the area is covered with snow, and at this time of the year it is almost deserted. The beginning of the road starts by crossing the middle of the forest, and the river of Sahidan village accompanies you. The hills and valleys have created beautiful scenery. Medicinal plants of Javakhardasht village, lamb. Ear plant uses and medicinal benefits: analgesic for pain, antibacterial, antimicrobial, especially against gram-positive microorganisms, less so with gram-negative ones, antimicrobial, anti-diabetic, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, anti-tyrosinase, scavenges free radicals, anti-Alzheimer's, asthma, common cold, digestive disorders, diuretic, rheumatic and inflammatory disorders, stings by bees, wasps, etc. Angelica is a warming, decongestant, aromatic and bitter plant. It is widely used as a digestive aid, helping to stimulate the appetite and reduce indigestion, bloating and gas. This herb is also used to combat sluggish liver. Angelica has an expectorant effect on the lungs and can help relieve and heal asthma, cough, bronchitis and cold or flu symptoms. Historically, it has also been used to treat bladder infections and rheumatic diseases. In pediatric medicine in Germany, Angelica root is often used to treat digestive disorders. Angelica root is listed in the German Pharmacopoeia, a supplementary resource for pharmacists. A recent Chinese study found that Angelica has an anti-anxiety effect comparable to Valium. Mint, rich in nutrients, improve irritable bowel syndrome, help relieve indigestion, could improve brain function, decrease breastfeeding pain, subjectively improves cold symptoms, help lower blood sugar, rich in immune boosting antioxidants, benefit heart health. Oregano is one of the medicinal plants that has many healing properties and benefits for the body and its health. Oregano, which is useful and effective for lung health and disinfection, has a direct effect on easy breathing through the nose. Oregano is known as a strong antiseptic against fungi and microbes. In fact, oregano can protect the body against many bacteria and infections due to its thymol and carvacrol compounds. One of the most important properties of oregano is the treatment of female or uterine infections. Oregano acts like a strong antibiotic and cures infections. Oregano tea helps to treat stomach pain, bloating, stomach worms, flatulence and heartburn. Another property of oregano is to cleanse the liver of toxins and waste materials. A remedy for liver disorders is brewed oregano flower stem. Another property of oregano is that it is one of the medicinal plants that help reduce type 2 diabetes. Thyme has a number of useful medicinal properties. Mountain thyme can remove wind from the stomach and intestines, or in other words, it helps with flatulence. Another property of mountain thyme is that it is rich in amino acids and is effective in treating weakness and lethargy. Eliminating bad breath and reducing the unpleasant smell of sweat can be mentioned as other properties of mountain thyme. Properties of borage flowers: the cow's tongue flower and its leaves are blood purifiers, it calms the nerves, it is sweaty, it is diuretic, it strengthens the kidneys, relieves colds. Use a decoction of cow's tongue flowers to eliminate cough. It is effective in treating bronchitis, treats urinary incontinence, it cures kidney inflammation and swelling, It is useful in the treatment of measles and scarlet fever. Cook the leaves of gaosbon and use it like spinach. Fresh leaves of cow's tongue have a high amount of vitamin C, and in some countries they put it in the salad. The healing properties of yarrow. The properties of yarrow include things such as blood coagulation, reducing anxiety, reducing inflammation, regulating menstruation and reducing menstrual pain, faster healing of wounds, and regulating asthma symptoms. Yarrow is one of the medicinal plants that has many therapeutic properties and benefits. Properties of nettle plant: detoxification of the body, help with pregnancy, increasing women's health, improve the circulatory system, strengthening kidney and urinary tract health, anti-inflammatory property, bone strengthening, treatment of respiratory diseases, maintaining heart health, improve prostate health, skin care and skin discomfort, relief, alleviation of sensitivity, treatment of muscle and joint pain, enhance immune function, strengthen digestion. Lavender has many healing properties. Here we are going to express some of the properties of lavender. Headache treatment, reducing the risk of heart disease. Oral ulcer treatment, reducing stress. Insomnia treatment, slimming and rapid weight loss, cleansing the liver. Cough treatment, flu treatment, prevention of sunburn, reducing seizures and muscle spasms, treatment of stomach problems.